till the day I die.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, this is my next video about the speaker cables. I have here on the table three-way old SONY boxes, SONY SSE 411, produced in 1992 in Belgium, in Europe. And I can say that it's something like standard what the normal hi-fi fan can have in his living room. And I receive very often questions if the speaker cables are so important. You can see sometimes so huge speaker cables like anaconda body, but I have here these 2 6 square millimeters or double 6 square millimeters 10 American wire gauge cable, speaker cable, also standard. And then I have here so thin speaker cable where I cannot see if there is a wire inside, so thin. Let's make a blind test. I will connect signal from an amplifier, from a left channel of my amplifier to this speaker box. The speaker box will be in the same position, camera will be in the same position, the volume of the left channel will be also in the same level, and I will change only the cables. I will sign it in video A and B, or A and B, B and A. It will be totally blind test because you will not know which type of speaker cable is connected. You will see the box and you will hear the sound only. I will cover the speaker cable so you will not know. Totally blind test under the same conditions. So please write me in comments which sound do you prefer, or if you recognize when is connected this thin. Yes, it's nonsense to use such a thin cable. It's extreme and it's a demonstration only a blind test. So write me if you recognize when is connected such a nonsense cable or such a standard cable. It will be for me also interesting because up to now I've never done such a test. So let's connect the box, and I will make here also the signs because the connectors are from the back side to have the box always in the same position. So let's do it. So, dear friends, do you hear some sound difference? What do you like more, the A or B, B or A? Write me in comments. So, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos, you can also join my channel. So, have a nice day.